Hello, welcome. We are making some milkshake lip gloss, okay? I'm gonna put some VERSAGEL in here. Like so. We're gonna be putting 2 teaspoons of this in here. Castor oil. 2 teaspoons again. Okay. I don't know, my camera tripping. All right, I love vitamin E oil, you know. So let's give it a good mix. I'm giving it a good mix. And then some white liquid pigment from TKB Trading. A few drops. I don't think there's a drop anymore. And some yummy pink from TKB as well. Okay. All right. Let's mix. I just want something really light. Alrighty. All right. We already know the drill. This time I'm just eyeballing this. I am not measuring it again because I already know the quantity and the consistency I'm looking for. So most of the time I measure them just for the purpose of the video, but I just added a little bit more oil in it just to see what it's gonna do. I want that milkshake, baby. Okay, don't like this, it's too thick. We are not doing that. You already know. Yep. So I'm gonna be adding some preservative, cap 2, just a few drops. Ain't nothing much left in here. And some polyisobutene to give us the shine that we want. So yeah, let's mix this. I love holding my bowls in my hand, like it works best for me. So for flavor, I'm going to be adding this strawberry kiwi as our flavoring oil for today. Okay. All right, let's see how this goes. So I like the flavor. So let's put this to the side for a minute. These are my bottles, my wine tube. I'm gonna be using some fruits in this, some strawberry fruits. And I'm gonna be putting it in the bottle first. I can't put it in the glass because it's gonna give me the run for my money. So, yeah. Let me give you a final mix. Oh my God, I love it. Give you a final mix before doing anything with it. Okay. Oh my God, it looks so lovely. OMG, I'm so happy that I thought about this. So let's put this to the side again and find out what we did, okay? Because I already know.
Put your hands to the sky if you catching a vibe. We ain't gonna stop for nothing. Yeah, you can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. Body can dress to impress, no stress, though they're waiting. I keep them waiting. Makeup on fleek, high heels, ripped jeans, they're all waiting. I'm on my way. Looking in the mirror at myself like who that? Swag on 1,000 and my girls got my back. We just wanna party, call me tequila shawty. We just wanna party, yeah, yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on.
Oh my God, Don't this look adorable? It is so gorgeous. Okay, you guys, the lip gloss came out as a success. It is so beautiful. I am digging it. I'm loving it. It is just right down my alley. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye bye.
Turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. To the sky if you're feeling a vibe. We ain't gonna stop for nothing. Put your hands to the sky if you're catching a vibe. We ain't gonna stop for nothing. Yeah, you can bring your friends, we won't